Okay, so I am leaving in the morning. I've had 3 nights here. Been good, been to see my parents, had some food, a day on the beach, had a proper chill out. It's great, hotel's nice, pool's good, food's alright as well. And yeah, so I'm heading to Madrid tomorrow. I'm going to stay in Madrid for the night, have a little butcher's round again. And then I'm going to head on towards Santander. So yeah, see you in the morning. There we go, just stayed in quite a smart hotel in Madrid. Quite nice. 65 quid for the night. Madrid gets a bit more expensive. Yep, right on the way to Santander. This is going to be a pretty quick video. I'm heading back now. I'll spend 2 days in Santander and then get on my delayed ferry. So yeah, I'm going to do a bit of tech stuff on the way back now. Get a bit more off-roading done. Okay, so I left Madrid yesterday and I'm in Somo, which is by Santander, and it is a really, really nice area, and it looks like it's mad for surfing as well. Definitely would recommend staying here if anyone gets off the ferry or they want to leave and need a night somewhere before. Really nice, right? I'm gonna have a little mooch around.
Christian!
Okay, so for any of you that haven't been on the ferry before, Port Avon this is, from Santander to Portsmouth, Plymouth. little single bed, and another one folds out the ceiling, like so. I'm not going to get it out, so I'll have to put it back. Toilet. Alright. There you go. Okay, so this is the end of the trip. I'm in the cabin at the moment, but I'm not gonna film me getting off the ferry and riding home because it's the end by then. So there's no need to do that. So I've done about just over 3,000 miles. On the ferry back, the ferry is for me it was 350 quid to get home, which is sort of what it goes for. I think you can get deals where it's a bit better than that. Cost wise, think of it as £1 a mile. So you can do the maths on that. Yeah, so there we go. Anyone who's thinking, oh, I'd love to do a trip like solo, just do it. You'll always have people going, oh yeah, but go on your own. Why are you going on your own for? Just go on your own. Otherwise you'll never go and you'll never do these sort of things. I've loved it. It's been amazing. And things when you're on your own, people approach you more, so you talk to more people. I've spoken to loads of people on this trip, but if you're with someone else, it's good to go with other people as well, but if you are on your own, people do come up to you and talk. And I met a chap who was cycling from Belgium to Malaga. Bonkers. He's still doing it now, but he's still nowhere near Malaga. There's no chance. But it's just like you meet people like that. He was camping the whole thing, and I spoke to loads of different people. So if you're like thinking, oh, I'd love to do that, just do it. Just book the first thing. Book the Eurotunnel, book the ferry, and then it's on then, and you're into it. So yeah, for me, I'm gonna have a little. Well, I've been thinking a lot about what to do next already. Sort of considering going to India. Either take the bike there, or fly over and rent some bikes and go around India. That'd be quite good. Or another idea, I quite fancy riding the bike from the UK to Dubai, because you've got a fun few countries to get through to get down to Dubai. And then get it shipped back if I can find some reasonable shipping companies to do it. But yeah, so that's what's going to come up in the future videos. Just some thoughts on the route I took and what I would do differently. Next time, no camping stuff whatsoever. Not for me. Just stay in hotels, much nicer. If you like camping, go for it, but 20 days of camping is probably hell, and you're not going to, well, I wouldn't enjoy it. So I won't be doing that again. I also wouldn't go through France. I don't like France at all. It was the worst place I went. Just got hammered by tolls. People say things about the French. Yeah, tolls boring. North of France is boring, very boring. Belgium was quite nice, very clean. Yeah, I wouldn't do that again. Next time I would probably, if I was doing this sort of trip, I would just get the ferry to Santander, go over the Pyrenees, and then go wherever after that. Yeah, so probably wouldn't do France again. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I have got some good stuff coming up, so press that button.